Ryan Gosling starts his mornings with a walk, a light stretch, and a mental map of the day ahead. He blocks out creative hours for script work or rehearsals, then prioritizes family meals and a downshift from the industry's glare. A pivotal moment arrived when he chose a demanding dramatic role over easier fame, learning restraint, depth, and intentional packing. That choice reshaped his mindset, teaching him to measure progress in craft rather than headlines and to protect personal time. Today, his habits blend disciplined fitness, mindful media presence, and generous collaboration, inspiring fans to invest in long-term growth.